What happens when I mix this and this? Watch closely. Hi everyone, welcome to Bright Science Brains. I'm your host. Today we are gonna do a super fun experiment, the baking soda and vinegar volcano. For this experiment we need baking soda, vinegar, food coloring and or volcano model. Make sure that you have an adult with you. First, I am adding baking soda into the volcano. Baking soda is the base and something exciting will happen when we add vinegar. Now I am slowly pouring in the vinegar. Wow, look at that! The volcano is erupting with lots of bubbles and foam. Can you see all the bubbles? That's a gas being made. Science is awesome. When baking soda and vinegar mix together, they make a gas called carbon dioxide, just like a real volcano. Remember, always wear safety goggles and do experiments in a safe place with an adult. Thanks for watching Bright Science Brains. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.